Everyone, this is Amit Singh from Logic Boost Private Limited. I started working in the domain of development of human-friendly robots coupled with the algorithms of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and IoT. Let me take you towards the basic problem, which is floor cleaning, and this is the problem of almost every home all across the globe. The problem is much bigger when it's related to the old age people who used to live alone, or we have seen during the COVID pandemic that maximum cleaning workers were getting infected, and the homes where there is a little kid present needs a proper hygiene throughout the day. Being dependent on others like maid and all throughout the day is not always a good choice. So to overcome this problem, we have come with a solution of India's own AI-enabled robotic vacuum cleaner, where Logic Boost Private Limited tries to play its part in making of Atmanirbhar Bharat and Atmanirbhar Bharatvasi in terms of floor cleaning. Some of its USPs are it has the AI which can detect the type of floor, like it's moving on the carpet. It can detect the carpet. It can detect the type of floor. It can detect the type of dirt, like somewhere if its sauces are present on the floor, or dirt particles or hairs or anything. It can detect and can adjust the suction accordingly. Apart from this, it has the toddler mode where it will maintain a distance of 1 meter from the kid, and as soon anything falls, anything eatable falls on the floor, it will go clean it up and will be back. Apart from this, it has the pet mode, the insect pest control, pest detection at the earliest level, the 90 minutes power backup, and these are the basic USPs which we are having, which we are offering right now. So currently business model which we are trying to implement is the digital marketing, direct and indirect selling through exhibitions, and through exhibitions we have been among top 30 selected startups all over India who has presented our product at Digital India Week, Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and at launch event which was inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister of India. So apart from this, like we have 200 plus orders as of now in hand, even before launching of the product. So the basic differences between the other players, like first one is the pricing. Our pricing, we have pre-booked the orders at 7,500, and the final market price would be 9,999, which is called barter pricing. So this is the thing, and apart from pricing, we are the first one who have implemented AI. Even it can detect the stationary and the permanent objects. We have applied for the copyright of our design as well as the design of our vacuum fan. So me, basically, founder of the Logic Boots, have absolutely refused to give up. In the past, I have learned from the last 6 startups what not to do and what to do while floating a startup. So apart from this, we have a perfect team which consists of our co-founder Swarna Singh. She is MSc Mathematics. Our team as wide advisor Dr. Manish Kumar Pandey. Apart from this, the team consists of people from different backgrounds. Total 16 team members, including the interns, which includes embedded electronics, AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and IoT people. So we have, with our 200 plus pre-bookings in hand, even before launching of the product, and being a finalist of Shark Tank India Season 2, we hope to create a difference and to bring more innovative product in terms of floor cleaning, in terms of Swachh Bharat mission for India, for the world. Thank you so much.